Palma de Mallorca in Spain. We are enjoying a good time here. It's so hot. How many degrees? 36.
Yeah, they say it's soon close to 40.
Close to
But
40.
this was more hot in Kenya because there it was much windy.
Yeah, here we are close to the ocean and then it is bringing
Very
the
much
sea
windy.
breeze. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we have so
And you look so
beautiful
good.
views.
Oh my God. Oh.
Yeah. And
A
the
model
place
girl
is
from Kenya.
model. Let's
Oh
go
my
back.
God. Oh, model girl. Ah, look at this beautiful ass. Oh.
People why are you shouting in the street?
Yeah, they can see that beautiful ass.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
who is the boss for this ass?
Life.
Life?
Yo-yo.
Hey, boss for the ass. Beton poo poo.
So beautiful. This place can pick a fort. Oh. So guys, we are in Can Pick a Fort in Palma de Mallorca, and we are going to give you a tour of this place. It's lovely. Just stay tuned and enjoy the views. And right over there we have the sea, so we'll take you to the beach with us.
In my head, you're all that I see. I've lost all my chances. I know that I am too late. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you.
Yo-yo.
Huh?
One thing I love about Mallorca,
Uh-huh.
the houses, they are made of
Stone.
stones or
Yeah,
bricks
yeah,
like this one. And then they look so beautiful.
Yeah,
That means this place is not cold in the winter.
yeah, but this can be like 10 degrees.
10 degrees.
Yeah, in the winter, and then you.
That is better than minus 20 degrees in Norway.
Yeah.
I want to buy a house here.
Yeah.
Then you can be coming in the winter to visit.
We will see.
Huh?
Maybe you.
Yeah.
Maybe, or maybe not.
I know it will not be expensive.
I
I
mean-
buy a house here.
Oh, they look good.
Yeah, they look good. I love the house.
Yeah.
And then they have
You
at
look
least
good
a
too.
fence.
You look good. Oh my God, look at your stomach, oh flato. I will have the same next year.
And
Yeah.
then the houses here are different because they have a fence and
Yeah.
they also have a gate.
Yeah, there are some.
And they look so good.
Yeah.
I love the houses at least.
Yeah, that's true. But it's very hot now. It's close to 40.
Yeah, and then another problem, the water is salty. It's not
Yeah, they have problem with the water here now. It's very dry all over the way.
yeah.
Whoa. There are some. Yeah. And see here, and they have a swimming pool too inside.
Oh yeah, this house.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so shallow. The swimming pool is so shallow.
Oh my God, look at that. Very nice.
Yeah, the houses, they are very beautiful.
Yeah, swimming pool. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my God. And I have started to sweat too.
You have
Be
started
careful.
this 36 degrees.
Yeah, you see my face. I'm lucky, but
Show them this house now. Here it looks so good. That one.
yeah, this was the house with the swimming pool.
Yeah, it looks so beautiful.
Yeah, look at. Oh my
Even
God.
these ones, the flats. These ones also. They look cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll buy one house here. Yeah. Then we will have two houses in Europe. One in Norway, another one in Mallorca.
Okay, and maybe one in Kenya if we will be
Yeah,
rich.
and one in Kenya.
Move.
Yeah, one in Kenya.
Yeah.
We have one in Norway already. So you can buy one in Mallorca, I buy one in Kenya. What do you think?
I will be more smart.
Why?
I will buy in Kenya and you in Mallorca.
Because you know in Kenya it is cheaper.
Yeah. I'm smart too.
Okay, I will take it.
That was your friend.
The dog thinks we are going.
Yeah, the dog take care of the house.
Yeah.
They think you steal some apple.
apple. They don't have apple. Here is a desert. You are only seeing.
They have
Right.
orange, they have juice.
They have what?
Juice?
What is this?
Apple juice.
No, it is a desert.
Okay, and they have strawberry,
Yeah.
and they have bananas, like Kenya, and they have you.
They have bananas in here.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
And they have you.
Oh wow, look at my steak. This is what I'm eating. So yummy and juicy. And another one, his food is hanging. Your food is hanging.
I drunk.
Yeah, you are drunk. You when you go for vacation, your work is to drink. That is your vacation.
Here we go in the Palma in Mallorca. So there's so many people here now, and we have to work home 10-15 minutes, maybe 20, and we are so tired. We have eaten a lot of food, so now I like to see the beautiful Azul. And let me see the beautiful Azul. Huh?
So guys, this is how Palma de Mallorca looks like. So beautiful, just look at it. And it is 6 p.m. and yet the sun is still so high up and it's hot. Today was what? 36 degrees? 37?
Yeah, but it's very much windy, so
Yeah.
it's not feel so very hot like...
Yeah, it was 37. It is 37 degrees, but it's windy, so it's not so much. And on this street we have shops. They have everything like restaurants, curio shops, and so many. Then over here we have the beach. It looks so awesome. Just look at people enjoying, kids in the water. We have boats. I think this one looks like a public beach. Yeah, the one for our hotel looks so good. So we are from eating. We've eaten so good food, steak and pork, yeah, and chips. Yeah, so now we are walking to our hotel.
This time we have no...
And someone here is tired, he cannot walk good.
Oh my God, I feel... I feel my bed.
You have the time of your life every single night. The confetti's raining down. You put your hands to the sky, center of the crowd. You're the talk.
Yeah, it will be a good video. The beautiful black lady from Kenya. Before she was from Norway and Kenya, now she's from Malaga. Maluka.
Look at this. It looks good. People are just enjoying. Now when we go to the hotel, then we'll go to the sea to swim.
Yeah, but firstly, relax a little bit because my stomach's so big like a mountain.
You eat so much.
Yeah, and it's big like a mountain. Yeah.
Then we have this other street where we have what? The cars that use this street, the taxis.
Yeah, the
The
taxi.
problem to get a taxi here is so difficult.
Yeah, because so many people want it.
Yeah,
When the reception in the hotel we live, they have problem to find a taxi.
the taxi. But this one is like Diani in Kenya.
Oh, she runs so much now. Oh my God, though.
Party, life of the party. Life of the party, life of the party. Life of the party, life of the party. Life of the
We have some shops here. They are selling especially outfits for swimming, because right over there we have the beach and many people come here to swim.
Head northwest on Car Silent
Oh,
Sea toward
Google, shut up. You are
then
even
turn left
speaking
onto
in
Car
Spanish. I don't understand you. Yeah, so I just love how the beach looks clear with good waves. And then we have these shades here. You can just sit here. We have some chairs and enjoy the evening.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel.
Look at people going surfing. Oh, here we have tropical cocktails. So for some good cocktails, yeah. Him. I don't know what is always wrong with him.
Oh, I'm so tired.
You are not tired. You have eaten too much.
Yeah.
You are full.
Not too much like a mountain.
Mountain. But I told you when you are tired, you go put on swimming gear and then we go and swim.
No, first time when I come home after like 30 minutes.
No, then you will sleep and start snoring. The hotel don't have duvet, and yet it is very cold in the night. Yeah, we will ask them. Yo, this one is the hotel that I wanted to book first. TBH Hotels.
So what happened?
The rooms were not looking so nice.
Oh, they were sleeping.
Yeah, and then it was a little bit cheaper. So then I decided to book the Ferrero. Yeah. Oh, so they were just close to each other. But it looks good. Yeah.
Look how many minutes they are there in the hotel.
I thought you were saying we sit and relax. Yo. Can Picafort. This is the place where we are. Can Picafort in Spain. And we have this crazy one here. Mr. Man.
All the time be careful when you walk back.
Yeah.
You never know what happens.
Reverse gear.
Yeah.
The waves are too much from morning up to evening. And we have some statue there. Then this one looks like a lighthouse. So we have ships that always come here. Because we have lighthouse where ships come. Oh, that's good. I don't know what they are. Yo, ask the Spanish people what these ones are. The problem, they will answer you in Spanish. Espanol. Yeah? I don't know what they are. Okay. What's here? I found a friend here.
I see that.
Let me kiss the nose.
Oh my God, you love all the time the nose.
No, because this person has big lips. So it is the nose which is good to the kiss.
Yeah.
We have another one here. This one is tall.
Yeah. very much windy, and that's good though.
Yeah, the wind makes the sun or what to be a little bit less hot.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh well, everything. This one has a very long leg.
Yeah. You look like your friend.
My friend.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
My friend is Karen.
Is this your friend?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the name?
And
Anne?
yeah,
Anne number 2 or 3?
number 2.
Oh my god, can you do the pregnant with him?
Guys, look at that view. Travel for views. Whoa, so awesome. Horse riding. You know, we can go and ride a horse if we want. The problem is, I'm not sure if you know how to ride a horse.
Look at the little girl, she fixed it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But it's just to go up and then the horse will walk.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Even when my teardrops start to dry, even when the sun begins to shine again, I'm taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive, it only hurts. I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. Looking back on how I used to be, I always thought that love was made for me. Oh well, I was just as blue-eyed as the sky could ever be. Loving you has made me realize I'm so tired of love songs, life never turns out the way they do. I've been trying for so long, looking for someone who wants me to. I've heard every cliche there is and none of them make sense. I'm so tired of love songs, I'm sick and tired of love songs. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of you. I'm so tired of love songs, sick and tired of love songs. Even when my teardrops start to dry, and even when the sun begins to shine again, I've taken all the advice there is and none of it